Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment. It's YO22 Excel Chapter 13 Prepare Dashboard, KPIs and Data Visualization. That's its project description is given here. You can read it carefully so you will understand what you need to do in this assignment. So I will now start our assignment with the first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open the file name Excel chapter 13 prepare analytics. Gradle has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. I have already opened my file, that's my file. So we will move to our second step. In the second step, what is he asking? The database you have given contains a list of customers in the table customer. Management has also asked you to create a way to identify customer of the golf course on in-state versus out-state basis. Import the data from the Access database with the Power Query and new column indicating the customer is from New Mexico. Create a new query using the From database and from Microsoft Access database option. Select the Excel chapter 13 prepare sales access file that's downloaded with this project. Select the table customer table. So we will go to insert data tab, and here we will select get data from the access database. We will select. Now it's opening. And what we need to select, we need to select the file which is given with this project. It's Excel chapter 13 prepares sales. We will import this one. We need to import a table from this access database, which is table customer. We will select table customer. We will select transform data. That's now transform data. What is he asking? Create a conditional column that returns in state when the state field contains New Mexico and out state for the all other values. Name the column as a state status. So we will go here. We will go to the add columns. Here we will select the conditional column. In the conditional column, what is the name of our conditional column? Our conditional column name is the state status. We will copy this and paste this one as a state status. That's our state status. And what is the column name? We need to see its state column equal to which one value. If it's equal to New Mexico, then output will be the in state. We'll paste in state, and else our value will be out of state. Out of states. When we press OK, our new column will be added. You can check where is the New Mexico is the state value. Our value in the state status column is the in state. And what is he asking? Sort the data in the ascending order by customer ID. By customer ID. So we will go to sort the data by customer ID. We will select this one and we will drag this one and we will select sort ascending. Now it's ascended, and close and load the data into new worksheet. Rename the worksheet as a customers. So we will copy this. We will select in the home tab. We will select close and load, and it's loaded to a new sheet, which is now name is table customer. We will rename this one as a customers table. That's our required step. In our third step, what is he asking? He is asking connect to the sales database and import all the table into data model in the workbook. From the data tab in the get and transform group, connect to the Excel chapter 13 prepare sales downloaded file. Select table employee, table product, table transaction tables in the database. Import the data being showed to create a connection and load the data to data model. So we will go here in the database, data table, and we will go to from database and we will select from access database. We will select our required file access chapter 13 prepares for sales. We will import this one, and here we need to select the three tables, which is table employee, table product, table transaction, and we need to select the close and load to, and we need to select here only create connection and add this data to data model and press OK. So our now connection is have been updating and it's now updated. That's our third step. Our fourth step is only we need to add the data and it's now connection are created. So we will move to our fourth step. In the fourth step, open the Excel option. So we will now we add the add and data analysis button. So we will go to the file tab and here in the option tab we will select the customize ribbon, and here in the popular commands or in the main tabs you will select the developer tab, add in tab, and also these power pivot tab and press OK. So your analysis and power pivot are now added. So that's our fourth step. In our fifth step, what is he asking? Add the table on the customer worksheet to the data table. So we will go to the that's our worksheet customer worksheet. We will select in the table and we will go to the power pivot and we will select the add to data model. So in this way, this table customer is also added to our power pivot data model. So in our sixth step, what is he asking? Create a relationship between the table customer table and table transaction table using the customer ID in the both fields. So we will select in the design tab, we will select create relationship, and here is the customer ID. We will select table customer and table transaction and select the customer ID and press OK. So we have created one relation here in this, and we will create another relation for the table customer and table product table with the product table transaction and table product table with the product ID as a and press OK. So we have created our two tables here. That's our sixth step. In our seventh step, what is he asking? In the Power Pivot, create a calculated column for revenue, cost, and profit. In the table transaction table for the revenue and cost field, use the docs function related to retrieve the unit price and unit cost field respectively from the table product. So we will go to select, we will copy this one, we will go to the table transaction table. That is our table transaction table. We will add this one column as a revenue column. Press enter. And in this, what we need to enter? We will select the related table, related function. In the related function, we will select the unit price. First, we need to use the unit price field, close our bracket, then multiply this one with the quantity, table transaction quantity, and press enter. So we will got our revenue field column value. So that's our revenue field column. Second, our cost column, we will paste this one as a cost column. Our cost column is the, we will press is equal to, we will put related function. Our related function is the unit cost multiplied by the quantity. So and when we press enter, we will get our result value in the cost column. That's our two column, and our profit column is the difference between the revenue and cost. When we put the difference between the revenue and cost, we will get our required step. In this we will put start our bracket revenue minus cost and press enter. So we have got our profit column here. That's our required 7 step. In our 8 step, what is he asking? In our 8 step, he is asking to create a KPI status. We need to create a calculated field for the 20, create a 5 explicit calculated field in the Power Pivot on the table transaction table. Use the calculate and sum function are necessary in your calculation. Calculate all 2023 profit in explicit 2023 profit in the employee ID field column. So we will first create the 2023 profit column in the employee ID. So here we will put this one as a 2023 profit. We will put column, then we will put is equal to, we need to calculate, that's our calculated column. We will use the sum function, that's our sum function to calculate table transaction profit column. Then what is the, we'll close our bracket, then our filter will be the year filter. We'll select year filter. Date will be table transaction. Date will be table transaction date field. Transaction date field. Close this one is equal to 2023, and we will close our bracket and press enter. So we have calculated our 2023 profit as a in the employee ID field. That's our required step. Calculate all 2024 profit in the explicit field 2024 in the product ID column. That's our product ID column. We need to enter here a formula. We will put column here. Put is equal to calculated. Calculate. We need to use the expression like that. Sum. We need to use the sum function. And what is our? That's our profit column. We'll close our bracket. Then what is the filter? That is our year filter. We are using our year filter transaction table transaction date. That's our year filter, and we will close our bracket, and we will put is equal to what is our required year. It's 2024, and we will close our bracket and press enter. So our calculated field 2024 profit is also in the product ID column. So that's our using the auto sum function on the home tab in the calculation group, sum of the revenue, cost and the profit calculated column. Accept the default name as a explicit field. Format the explicit field as a currency. So we will go to the here. We will use as a default function sum of the profit. We'll type here sum of profit. We'll put column, then is equal to sum. Our this one will be our revenue field. No, for this one sum our revenue. We will put sum of the revenue. Sum of revenue field, and we press enter. So we have got our value here. For this one also we will use sum of the costs. We will put column is equal to, we'll use sum function, start our bracket, and this one cost group. That's our sum of costs. For the this one we will use sum of profit. We will put is equal to sum of profit column. Press enter. So we have got our 5 calculated field with this. That's our 8th step. We have total 36 steps in this assignment. I have performed 8 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. And if you want to deal for your complete course, or if you want help in any online course like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, you can contact me also. My contact number, WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video, and I will show you the solution of this one file, so you will see when this one completed how it will look like. I will don't save this one file. I will show you a solution. When it will be okay, then it will look like that. It's opening now. We have different sheets. We have state analysis sheet that will look like that. We have a timeline also like that. In employee matrix worksheet, we have two power pivot table and power pivot chart. This one, and for sales dashboard, we have three power pivot charts, four power pivot charts, and also slicers and one timeline. This one, and the last one is our customer worksheet. So it will look like that. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new updates.